my vlog. Hope you're all doing good. So today it's my first vlog and I'm excited and nervous, very excited though. So let me tell you something about myself. I am living in Saudi Arabia, and actually the decision of making vlogs and sharing my life with you all people came when I actually moved to this place. And the thing was, let me tell you the story. And when I moved to Saudi Arabia and posted some of my pictures and check-ins in Instagram or Facebook, many of my friends, they got curious and they were like so excited and wanted to know, should we keep on posting pictures and videos of that place, Saudi Arabia, and how's your life going in there, everything, just post, because they were so curious to know about the place, this place. So that actually prompted me that why shouldn't I make something, why shouldn't I do something that that I can share with people, with everyone, and will get to know better about this place. So here I am with my first vlog then, and the place is delightful, it's awesome, full of beautiful people, and it's like I am here since 6 months only. So though I am not a person, I am still an amateur person here, but still gaining many experiences, gaining knowledge about this place, exploring beautiful places, traveling all over around. It is a wonderful place. Now I'm telling you, people are always going to be with me, be a part of every journey of mine, from here to every travel, to every mall, explore, my everything. You'll be my part of everything. So welcome to my life, people. Now, welcome to my life. Today I'm very excited about a thing. It again has a background. So let me tell you a story again. Just few days back, I would say a month back around, we were just on a weekend, we were just heading out just to relax on beach. So we just headed out from our apartment, and when we went to our car, what we saw is our car was, the windscreen, it was totally smashed, it was broken. Somebody, as in, it was just parked besides my building, and somebody just threw something maybe up from the above floors, and a glass was totally broken, and even the roof had a dent. It was like, I was in total shock. It's just a 7 months old car of mine. It's my first car, and it's just 7 months old. I have an affection to that, and it was like very shocking. So from that day onwards, our car was in a workshop, and today I got my car back. I'm like too excited and too happy actually, just because the thing is, I am the person who can never stay at home. I never stay at home. It's like before dinner, after dinner, for dinner, we are alternate day, we are just out. We are just out. We cannot stay at home. Me and my husband, we both are like travel people and foodie people. We eat a lot, we travel a lot. It's like that. So yeah, I am actually very excited now, because for the past 25 days my life was like, okay, just restrict, not to go out, or if we are hanging out with somebody, okay, we can go out with them. It was just like that, and we couldn't go to places. Like, we used to go together and sit on beach and just relax, only we two. So it was like I was missing that part, and today I just got my car back. I'm so happy. Yes. Like, I am a bit into beauty products. I like to, actually the thing is, I like to look good, I like to look beautiful, gorgeous. It is like the same with every women like to look beautiful, like to look gorgeous, feel beautiful inside. And so when I came here, I found so many things, so many cosmetics and brands and many stuff for women, and it was like, oh my god, I am into heaven, yay. Actually, isn't after coming from India, isn't in past 6 months I have actually shopped more as compared to India about isn't for the cosmetics. I shop a lot right now, and the thing is, even I get beautiful deals. It's the perfect deals. And now I'm going to take you to every shopping I go for cosmetics, and will definitely suggest if something I find is good, so you people can also try that stuff. And it's beautiful, it's like awesome. And the second thing, you know, the Gulf region is totally about gold. Yes, girls get crazy about the gold, the jewelry, everything. Yay. Yes. And I actually don't have to say anything, you know. Few months back, we went to Dubai just for vacation, and there I visited a gold souk. Many of you might have visited that place, and if you're planning to go to Dubai, just go to that place. It's beautiful in a sense. The variety you see in that place, isn't you don't see it in, especially India, you don't see the jewelry being displayed so nicely and without any security outside the shops, and it's like beautiful. And it was like different experience, and I hope I would have started vlogging before, so that I would have definitely vlogged each and every moment of my spend there. Anyways, I'll definitely go cosmetic shopping with you girls. Gold shopping, I doubt. If I go, I'll definitely go, because I'm not that much into jewelry, but I like to window shop. That is it. And third thing, I thought as in Saudi you have to go out and wear abaya. Without abaya you cannot go out. So I thought that maybe clothing and apparel market for women is not that much here. And guess what? I'm totally wrong. I actually was totally wrong. When I went out there, the variety I see, the clothings, I was amazed. The dresses, beautiful dresses I found here, it was beautiful, literally. So there's so many things to explore here, so many things to do here, and you'll definitely, as my days passes here, you'll definitely experience a lot of stuff with me. I hope I accomplish the task which I am setting right now. Hello from my Tedda bear. I just love him. Isn't he cute? Very cute. Well, it's 2 AM and now I'm going to wrap up my vlog. And if you liked my video, please give a thumbs up and comment below if you want any type of improvement to be done in my videos. Any type of appreciation or anything which you didn't like will be most welcome. And please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, good night. Have a stress-free day tomorrow. Bye-bye.